Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Allison Mead's property here in Jackson, Georgia. Today, I'm standing on the back slope. Today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle. Here's an overview of the roof. We're going to be replacing it with a new shingle. Give you guys kind of an overview of the condition of this roof. This is, this is the west facing slope right here. As you can tell, lots of granular loss. It's even worse on this slope. You can see all the fiberglass, the matting coming through, lots of granular loss, lots of wind damage, but very, very poor conditions, as you can see. So today we'll be removing this damaged shingle right here. Here we go, guys. Overview before we start. It's these three tabs. As you can tell, these tabs, this shingle ends right here, making it these three tabs. Let you guys follow along during this repair process. Oh, looks like this one's already up. Okay, so looks like just me trying to lift this shingle up, guys. We got a tear right there. Like I said, these shingles are very brittle. I'll try another one. This one's undone as well. This one's half undone. Okay. Again, guys, we got another tear. I'm trying to be as delicate with these shingles as possible. Okay, let's try from this side. Like I said, barely going in. I can do it with one thumb. And this one tore right there. Okay. Okay. This one tore. This one's still sealed. All right, guys. We got this one tore. Can't get some of these shingles up. Some of them were already unsealed, like this one. So we'll try a different shingle. Let's go down here. I believe I saw a different damaged shingle somewhere. Yep. Alrighty. So we got one right here. Let's see which shingle this is. It's these three tabs right here. These three. All right. Let's try again. All right. We got a tear right there. Okay, let's try this one. Like I said, guys, I'm literally barely putting this in here. Okay, another tear. I can hear it, the mat transfer just coming off. And it looks like it broke right there as well. Now, if you guys can tell by these shingles, how thin and brittle they are. I mean, part of being an adjuster, you have to take ethics every couple years. And what the definition of negligence is what would a reasonable person do? Now, if we put up a reasonable person off the street onto this roof and showed them the conditions of this, do you think a reasonable person would think that this is repairable? I don't think so. I think we've documented that in the video today. Every other shingle that was tried to unseal ripped. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this video into you guys. I'll take some pictures of the torn shingles. Thank you for your consideration.